If you've been mining on TapSwap or even just curious about it, you cannot miss this video. The long-awaited eligibility criteria for the TapSwap airdrop have finally been released, and I've had a ton of requests from you guys asking for a breakdown. There's a lot of confusion out there, so I'm here to clear things up and give you the straight facts. Even though I've paused my own mining activities on TapSwap, I've still got a balance on the app, which I'll be using to walk you through all the latest updates and what they mean for you. Whether you're an active miner or just someone with a small balance, stick around because I'll be covering everything you need to know, from how to check if you qualify for the airdrop to estimating how much you could potentially earn. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive straight in. The TapSwap mining app has just rolled out some major updates, and it's causing quite a buzz in the community. First up, let's head over to the official TapSwap mining app page. Here's what's new. They've just announced a brand new tab in the app that you'll want to check out ASAP. This update also brings a crucial change for anyone looking to qualify for the upcoming airdrop. Connecting your wallet is now a mandatory step. In fact, TapSwap recently tweeted about this update, highlighting that users must link their wallets directly within the app to be eligible. This means if you haven't connected your wallet yet, you could risk missing out on the airdrop entirely. Stick with me as I guide you through the new features, show you where to find this tab, and explain how to securely connect your wallet so you can ensure you're set for the airdrop. Now, let's get into the specifics of the airdrop participation criteria because this is where it gets interesting, and a bit strict. The TapSwap team has made it very clear. They're cracking down on dishonest practices, and anyone caught trying to game the system will be disqualified from the airdrop. This means no sneaky tactics, fake accounts, or botting. Play by the rules, or risk missing out entirely. Key Factor 1. Number of shares. Your shares are essentially the total points you've accumulated within the app. This is one of the most crucial elements that determine your eligibility and potential airdrop allocation. For example, I've racked up 1.18 billion points, which are considered my shares in this context. If you're not sure how many points you have, don't worry, I've got you covered. Just head to the Earn section of the app. There, you'll see your total points listed clearly. Make sure to take note of this because your shares will directly influence how much you stand to receive from the airdrop. And remember, the higher your shares, the bigger your slice of the airdrop pie could be. But stay honest, TapSwap's anti-cheat system is in full force, and trying to manipulate your points could get you disqualified. Up next, I'll break down the other factors that will play a role in your eligibility, so keep watching. Key Factor 2. Number of taps, TS. Let's talk about taps, a critical but distinct metric from your shares. While shares can be earned passively through referrals or completing various in-app tasks, taps represent the actual, manual actions you take in the app. Think of it this way, every time you engage with the app by tapping to earn rewards, you're racking up your tap count. Unlike shares, which can be inflated through strategies like referrals, taps require consistent, hands-on participation. The more you interact, the higher your tap score will be. This means the app is rewarding active miners who put in the effort instead of just sitting back and accumulating points passively. Pro tip: keep an eye on your tap count in the app's dashboard. If you haven't been tapping regularly, now's the time to start, especially if you're aiming to boost your airdrop eligibility. Remember, taps cannot be outsourced or automated. This is a manual process designed to reward genuine engagement. In short, if you want a bigger chunk of the airdrop, focus on increasing both your shares and your tap count. Up next, let's dive into the final key factors and what you need to do to meet the eligibility requirements. Stay tuned. Factor 3. League status. Your league status plays a crucial role in determining your airdrop allocation. In the TapSwap mining app, users are ranked across different leagues, like Grandmaster League, Master League, and Diamond League. These rankings aren't just for show. They directly influence the rewards you might receive in the upcoming airdrop. Being in a higher league often signals that you've put in more effort, accumulated more points, and engaged with the app consistently. Here's what you need to know. Higher league equals better rewards. Users in top tiers like Grandmaster League can expect a larger portion of the airdrop. It's the app's way of rewarding the most active and dedicated miners. If you've been aiming for the top spot, your league rank could give you a significant edge. League advancement. Advancing through the league typically requires a combination of points, shares, taps, and overall app activity. If you're currently in a lower league, now might be a good time to ramp up your engagement and move up the ranks before the airdrop snapshot is taken. Eligibility impact. Your league status may also affect whether you qualify for the airdrop at all. Lower league users might get a smaller share or even be excluded if their activity doesn't meet the minimum criteria set by the app. Quick tip: check your current league status in the app's profile section. If you're close to leveling up, consider pushing a bit harder, whether it's through additional taps or completing more tasks. The difference between Master and Grandmaster League could mean a substantial boost in your airdrop allocation. In essence, your league rank is a reflection of your overall commitment to the app. So, if you're aiming for maximum rewards, leveling up your league should be a priority. Next, we'll dive into the final eligibility requirements and what steps you need to take right now to secure your spot in the airdrop. Factor 4. Tapy Town Achievements. Your progress in Tapy Town is another key element that could significantly impact your airdrop eligibility. In the TapSwap mining app, Tapy Town acts as a mini-game where you can build and upgrade various structures, and it's not just for fun. These upgrades can boost your airdrop allocation. Here's why Tapy Town achievements matter. Contribution to overall score. The upgrades you make in Tapy Town contribute to your total points or shares in the app. The more you invest in upgrading buildings, the higher your score will be. This score plays a role in determining your share of the airdrop, so don't overlook this part of the app. Progress equals potential profit. Users who have upgraded their Tapy Town structures frequently are seen as more committed and active participants. The app recognizes this and may reward those players with a higher percentage of the airdrop. In other words, your achievements in Tapy Town could directly correlate with a bigger payout. Unlocking bonuses. Certain milestones in Tapy Town come with extra bonuses or rewards, such as multipliers or exclusive boosts. These can further enhance your score, giving you a better chance of landing in a higher airdrop bracket. For instance, maxing out specific buildings like the Tap Academy or Coin Vault could give you an edge. Strategy matters. Upgrades in Tapy Town require resources, and it's essential to prioritize which buildings to level up first. Focus on those that offer the highest boosts to your points or taps, as this can help you advance through the leagues faster and secure a better position for the airdrop. Pro tip: if you haven't paid much attention to Tapy Town yet, now is the time to do so. Head over to the Tapy Town section in the app and assess which buildings need upgrades. Even small enhancements can make a difference in your overall eligibility score. In summary, your Tapy Town achievements showcase your engagement and progress within the TapSwap ecosystem. The more upgrades you've made, the higher your potential rewards. Next, we'll go over a step-by-step guide on what you need to do right now to maximize your airdrop eligibility. Factor 5. Completed tasks. Daily activity and consistent task completion play a crucial role in your eligibility for the TapSwap airdrop. The app tracks your engagement through various in-app tasks, and the more tasks you complete, the higher your potential reward. Let's break down why this matters and how you can make the most of it. Why completed tasks are important. Activity score boost. TapSwap rewards users who are consistently active in the app. Regularly completing tasks like watching videos, sharing content, or interacting with partners signals to the system that you're an engaged user. This can significantly boost your overall activity score, increasing your share of the airdrop allocation. Daily task multiplier. Completing tasks every day activates a daily streak multiplier, which enhances your points or taps collected. The longer you maintain a streak, the higher your multiplier becomes. This is a great way to boost your score without relying solely on referrals or upgrades in Tapy Town. Priority access. Users who show regular participation are often prioritized for exclusive bonuses or higher tier rewards during the airdrop. If you've been consistent with your task completion, you might get access to special airdrop brackets reserved for the most engaged participants. Types of tasks to focus on. Watch and earn. Watch promotional videos or partner ads to collect points. These are usually the easiest and quickest tasks to complete, and they often offer bonus points during special events. Follow and share. Engage with TapSwap's partners on social media. Following, liking, or sharing partner content can give you extra points and increase your visibility within the app's community. Special offers: look out for limited time offers that may include extra tasks, like surveys or quizzes. Completing these can give you a significant boost in points, especially during promotional periods. Tips for maximizing task completion: set a reminder. Make it a habit to log in daily and complete as many tasks as possible. Setting a reminder on your phone can help you stay consistent and maintain your streak multiplier. Check for new tasks frequently. The app often updates tasks based on new partnerships or events. Make sure you check the Earn section regularly for any new opportunities. Focus on high reward tasks. Prioritize tasks that offer the most points or have time-sensitive bonuses. This will help you maximize your score efficiently. Pro tip: some tasks may appear simple, like watching a 30-second video, but when done consistently, they can accumulate a substantial amount of points over time. Don't underestimate the power of small daily actions. In short, completing tasks regularly is one of the easiest yet most effective ways to increase your airdrop eligibility. Consistency is key. Stay active, complete tasks daily, and watch your score grow. Next, I'll cover how to check your current progress in the app and what steps you need to take before the final airdrop snapshot. Factor 5 Earned blocks. This is where most people get confused. Blocks are represented by an icon that looks like an ice cube. You earn these blocks by upgrading specific features, like T-Flicks, in Tapy Town. The higher your upgrade level, the more blocks you generate per hour. To sum it up, I've clarified the key differences between shares, taps, leagues, and blocks, which were confusing many users. As for my opinion on TapSwap, I still have mixed feelings. They haven't announced a token generation event, TGE, a roadmap, or even tokenomics yet. I'm only about 5–10% confident in the team, but with such a large user base, there's potential for success if they focus on making the community happy. Let me know in the comments what you think and whether you're eligible for the airdrop. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. See you in the next one.